Okay, now when we will discuss that factors to be considered for selecting suitable field for self-employment. Okay, students, you see the next topic in the books are here is assessing the demand for goods. Okay, the perfect measurement of demand for goods through market research and other techniques is one of the major preconditions for success of business. Besides, market size and market strategies must be assessed beforehand. Whenever you want to be started business, you must assess the demand for goods. If you start the business which goods demands are very high, your business will be profitable. No demand, no doubt about this. Then next, experience and education. There are no doubt about this that experience and education plays a very vital role in success of a self-employment. Okay, the past experience in business and proper education regarding management is helpful towards success of business. Research shows that in most of cases, the reason for failure in business is having no prior experiences or knowledge about management strategies, and it is very applicable for Bangladesh. Awareness about your self weakness, you know your self weakness. Okay, so must be aware about this. Joint effort, family support or joint effort is a significant element to achieve success in business. Okay, joint ventures are more successful. Then selecting right worker, the worker to be employed in business must be qualified and efficient in their own job. So in case of recruiting worker, their academic qualification, professional efficiency, trustworthiness must be justified on the basis of heuristics. There should be an arrangement for training for the employed workers. The employee should not recruit for emotional reasons or some case we say that maximum times workers employees recruit such kind of employer which are from their relative sides. That should not be considered. Next, selecting the place of business. To select the place for business, raw materials ability, marketing opportunity, infrastructure facility, etc. should be considered especially. Then uses of right technology. The use of right technology in the production process and combination of local and imported technology increase the possibility of success. The entrepreneur should provide special emphasis on this before starting a business. Next, to be aware of socio-economic and political condition of the country. The economic condition influence the success of a business. Okay, so small entrepreneurs have to assess existing socio-economic condition of the country and have to take business decision on the basis of assessment continuously. Next is to find ways to face business risks. Okay, if you want to gain, risk is common. So you must find ways to face the business risks. Take lessons from failures. We know failure is the pillar of success. Okay, whenever you start the business, you cannot. It may happen that you might be failure in the first cases. Okay, so take lessons from your failures. Proper business planning, and it is very much necessary to establish a proper business plan after before starting your business. Okay, now we will go our next topics and ways to motivate for self employment. Our next topics is ways to motivate for self-employment. Okay, students, for self-employment, it is necessary to have personal efficiency and a strong willingness to earn a living on the basis of a self-dependent profession. Self-employment is the only alternative since job opportunities limited and employments cannot be generated through private and public initiative in huge number. Concept of self-employment is not clear and sufficient to the youth of this country. On the other hand, we think job is only way to earning a living because our social value and bookish knowledge, and this is a wrong concept. As a result, the number of both educated and illiterate unemployment people is increasing day by day. To motivate the youth and the future generation for self-employment, necessary steps have to be taken, such as students should be taught that no work is small and disrespectful. Students to be lectured on the biography of successful self-employment person of the locality. List of suitable areas of self-employment to be advertised over school and union porishod. Okay, and there are some also steps you will must go about this. Our next topic is necessity of training in self-employment. necessity of training. We know in our education system training is not included. So whenever you will go for the self-employment, you must need training. Training is necessary for completing a special job and enhancement of knowledge and efficiency. Training increases work efficiency and competency. Okay. And nature of training are explained, and there are some points. Introduction of nature of work and environment removes the lacking of efficient and experience the worker, increase the efficiency of the worker, proper utilization of resources, enhancement of moral strength, minimize wastage and accident, and training institute for helping self-improvement. Our last topic. Okay, last topic, training institutes for helping self-employment. Society or country with large number of entrepreneurs is more developed. In Bangladesh, there are some institutions for supporting self-employment. These institutions create opportunity of earning for the destitute people through motivating landlords and poor to self-employment, providing training for the efficiency enhancement, arranging microcredit to set up small businesses, and monitoring of the use of borrowed fund. And among the institutions, Bangladesh Institute of Bank Management, Ministry of Women Affairs, Bangladesh Rural Development Board, Employment Generation Project of Rural Women, Youth Training Center, Notrams, etc. mentionable. The activities of this organized are mentioned below. First of all, Bangladesh Institutes of Management. Bangladesh Institute of Management is an independent organization under Ministry of Industry. This institution gives training on self-employment and entrepreneurship development in exchange of specific fees. Next, Ministry of Women Affairs. Ministry of Women Affairs mainly undertakes various activities for the development of women. Mainly the major activities of this institution is to generate employment for the destitute, uneducated and half-educated village women. Okay. Next, Bangladesh Rural Development Board. Bangladesh Rural Development Board provides vocational training to the destitutes, landless village people for the self-employment so that they can select a profession independently to earn a living. Number 4, Employment Generation Project of Rural Women. Number 5, Youth Training Center. And it would be 6, Notrams. Notrams is an institution operated by the Ministry of Education. The main job of this institution is to provide training on computer programming and computer operation. A number of young boys and girls have become self-employed after having been trained from this institution. Okay. And last, NGOs. At present, different NGOs in the country are providing training for the unemployment youth like BRAC, Ashanias, Missions, ASHA, etc. Okay, this chapter is closed. Students, you must go through this chapter. In next class, we will start chapter 4. Okay, your SW would be make at least 50 information about the chapter. Okay, and you must practice about the creative questions given in the book. Thank you today.